Hey guys, what's up? Wolfie Jones here. And look who's on the all-rookie second team. Willis Brown, and Leon Strawberry, and Tom Dixon, and Jimmy Perry, and Jeff Ellis. Uthar, and Peter, and Phil West, and Richie Hunt, and Yuri. Okay. Oh, this is a playoff rematch. Fine, I'll just release you. I have to. Well, someone just go in, please. There we go. Okay, I'll sign you. Can I sign you like for a 10-day contract? Yeah, sure, for you. Now we can release the game. Yes. Okay. So, the Sixers and the Bucks and the Pistons, the Raptors, obviously us, all the underdogs. We're missing like the rounds. They were best. Not another sweep. Okay, it wasn't a sweep. Simulate the rounds. Whoo! Come on, Sixers. Come on, Sixers. For another sweep? Oh, they got it in the bag. Oh my god! Oh my god. 64 to 126? Ah, that's disgusting. Bucks, Paul Pierce, Chris Anderson, definitely a whole thing. Sorry, be there. Ha, ha. You're off my team. Yes. I got a trade. Worst player of all. Kid 38. Channing Frye. How are these guys excited? We ain't got a lottery pick. What do we need? Now we need a good big man. No good big man here. Oh, I can actually sign the ground. Here our star. get the player option. I'm gonna raise. Please don't mash it. Please don't mash it. We just got LeBron, guys. We just got LeBron. We just got LeBron. Kaplan 2000. What? Avery Bradley. But we got LeBron. So I'm gonna release the world thing. Yeah. Imagine I like put it on the ground. So controls 90. Okay. Hey guys. Our power rankings gotta be high. We got a good young team. We got LeBron. 26. See what we can get for LeBron. He wants LeBron. No. Well, dang, Michael could kill Chris. No. No. What is this, guys? These aren't reasonable. It's not reasonable at all. No. 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 What is this, guys? Kevin Love and Chase Buninger. I'm not gonna come. No. No. Just different countries. Taj Gibson. No. No, Legend. I'm gonna put off trade messages. These are just, I don't want to put things. I just want to see how my season goes. I successfully rebuilt the team. They're rebuilt. They're good. They're young. Don't lose 5-0. There it is. 5-0. we lost against the Heat. The Heat aren't powerful. No one's powerful. No one's like really stacked except the Thunder. The Heat aren't stacked. They don't have LeBron. They got the best division record. Oh. Guys, I'm gonna end off the video soon. LeBron. All good defense. Okay, and now we finally finish in the third seed. Oh, he's tired. LeBron is tired. We gotta win these games. Oh no! We got lucky. GG. Ah, we got eliminated again. Frustrating, guys. Thunder again. We need to sabotage the Thunder already. That's gonna be the end of this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Peace. Peace, I said. Peace.